Good morning, everyone. In our today's lecture of performance management system, we will talk about the difference between performance management and performance appraisal. Most of the time, it happen to be confused that performance management system and performance appraisal is one or the same thing. However, it seems like so, but there is a lot of difference between performance management and performance appraisal. See, performance management is basically a strategic business consideration, so it is part of strategy, whereas the performance appraisal is driven by HR department. So it is a functional strategy. When it comes to performance management, it is an arena of line manager, whereas performance appraisal is arena of staff management. uh, the performance appraisal is concerned with the assessment of employees' strength and weaknesses, but management is basically an ongoing feedback process. So that employee can improve his performance, whereas on the basis of performance appraisal, it is once in a year activity, and it definitely lacks an ongoing feedback system with the help of which an employee can improve their performance. So if we talk about the idea of performance management, so performance management is a continuous system with the help of which one can define all the activities in the organization, and it is a continuous process that aims at planning, monitoring, and evaluate the objective of an employee and his total contribution towards the organization. So the basic purpose of performance management is to encourage and improve employees performance efficiently and effectively. In the process, both the employees and the management participate in setting the objective, in evaluating the performance and the progress, providing training and feedback to the employees in regular intervals for the improvement and implementation of development program for the enhancement of skills of the employee. Whereas performance appraisal implies a rational assessment of the performance of an individual based on predetermined standards. On other hand, performance management is about the management of performance of manpower working in an organization, while performance appraisal is a yearly system uh, where the performance of individual employee can be accessed. So if we talk about the differences, so in the PPT, one can see that there are a lot of difference between performance appraisal and performance management. So if we talk about performance appraisal, it is an operational activity. As I earlier told you, it is a functional activity, whereas performance management is a strategic decision. Performance appraisal is top down assessment. That means the superior does the performance appraisal of their subordinates, whereas performance management is more likely to involve a dialogue about setting the objective, evaluating the performance, and rectifying the loopholes in performance. Performance appraisal is retrospective criteria of correction, and performance management is future oriented for growth. So uh, in performance appraisal, one can evaluate the performance on the basis of past performance, whereas in performance management, it is about rectifying and enhancing the employee's performance. Performance appraisal is typically done once or twice per year. But performance management, as I told you, it is a continuous and ongoing process. Performance appraisal often used rating or ranking. So there are several methods of doing performance appraisal. So basically ranking the employees on the basis of their performance, rating the employees on the basis of their performance are the methods of doing performance appraisal. Whereas performance management is a flexible process, it is a custom made process for each and individual employee, so that the performance of employee can be evaluated and rectified. Performance appraisal is a rigid system because it evaluate every employee's performance on a single scale. Whereas performance management, as I told you, that it is a flexible process, it is custom made process for each individual employee. When we talk about performance appraisal, it is not linked to business need. So the overall objective of organization is not the basis of performance appraisal. The individual's objective is the basis of performance appraisal. Whereas in performance management, the performance management's overall objective is the is linked with the business need of the organization. When we talk about performance appraisal, it usually takes quantitative approach, whereas performance management combined quantitative and qualitative both kind of approaches. Performance appraisal is individual, but performance management is a collective process. Performance appraisal is often linked to the compensation, because on the basis of performance appraisal, individuals promotion, demotion, transfer, or incentives can be linked. Whereas performance management generally does not link to the compensation, because on the basis of performance management, the basically the correction of individuals employees performance can be done. When we talk about performance appraisal, uh, it is often very bureaucratic with a focus on paperwork and documentation. So that means a lot of documentation involves, and a list of activities is done, which is like bureaucracy. It is involved in performance appraisal. So it is a rigid approach where everyone, uh, every employee in the organization has to go through a same frame of evaluation. Whereas performance management is less concerned with the documentation, because it is a uh, communication between managers and the employee, and it is about setting, evaluating and accessing the criteria of performance, and decide about where there are loopholes and how to rectify that loopholes. Performance appraisal is usually housed in HR department, because HR department is concerned with the activity which is performance appraisal, whereas performance management is conducted by managers and supervisors who are continuously in the touch of employees at large. So these are the differences between performance appraisal and performance management. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.